The home of Sports of Kingsville. Racing is always at its best, and the rough. Early lead is taken by Alexandrina by the rail. Moving up on the outside, Maypan and Sadar run the dance on the farther outside, Trinity Moon and Prapu Bell. At the mid-back stretch, Alexandrina by a length and a half, followed by Maypan on the outside, Sadar by the rail in third, run the dance on the outside in fourth, and closing in fifth is Trinity Moon, Prapu Bell, and Sarteria is bringing up the rear. Nearing the far turn, Alexandrina by a length and a half, followed by Maypan on the outside in second, Sadar by the rail in third, and closing in fourth is Run the Dance, Trinity Moon on the farther outside, Sarteria moving up on the inside, and Prapu Bell. Rounding the far turn, Alexandrina by 2.5 lengths, followed now by Run the Dance on the outside, and Maypan by the rail. Trinity Moon moving up on the farther outside, Sadar, and here comes Santeria. At the top of the stretch is still Alexandrina in the lead, followed by Run the Dance on the farther outside. Run the Dance on the outside, Alexandrina. It's Run the Dance, Alexandrina, and Trinity Moon moving up on the farther outside. It's Alexandrina by the rail and Run the Dance on the outside. Run the Dance on the outside, Alexandrina by the rail. And finally, it's Run the Dance, Alexandrina, Santeria, Trinity Moon, Maypan, Prapu Bell, Sadar.
Mukhang
5-1.